All right. Today is April 21st, 2025. Huh. Okay. All right. So I did my levels yesterday. Um, is the market on Sunday open? I figured that we probably would not have been around any of this, so we broke below it apparently. VIX is going towards a supply zone. ES and NQ are at demand zone. So let's do a quick top-down analysis. We can start with the weekly if we want to, just for a recap. So I told myself that if we're able to close a little bit higher on um, about here for ES, that I would have been looking for. We'll probably be on an up on a bullish market, but it looks like price struggled to even get above this area here. You can see that we're below it now even further. Let's go to this, but a SPY is holding that this box here. So maybe if SPY continues to hold, we'll move sideways and then move up, right? That's a thought. I'm going to see where SPY is at pre-market because we had a ton of buying right here. Look at this, it's crazy insane buying, and then price is just died out, right? The volume died out, everything got small. We held this here, and so let's see what price did. Yeah, shucks and hollers, highlight. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. First, let's do an ES to see where ES was at. So ES is here. Well, I'm using this now. So ES is at this level right here. Holding. Let's go to the 4 hour. You can see that we were buying. So I did remake this for this versus that. Now I'm using this one right now. So you can see that ES did buy up. NQ is here. I didn't move anything with NQ. Kind of kept NQ the way it was. The prior day low, I should have that marked, but I don't see it. We had a strong buy. We got below it. Let's go to the hour. Alright, so that's definitely the low. I don't even need to go any further. So that's prior day low, and we are below it. Friday's low, below it here, and we are at the highs. Thursdays, because Friday market was closed, so Thursday. All right, and we're in a strong downtrend. Haven't shift direction yet. Okay. All right, haven't shift direction yet. All right, I'm gonna go to the 30-minute. Then I'm gonna go back to SPY. All right, so we had this going on right here on ES and NQ. You can see that we had an absorption level, absorbing something. Not quite sure what, but something is being absorbed here, and kind of stopping price. All right, compared to all the other things, looks pretty small. What's that? 8 points for a 30-minute absorption candle, right? It does go about 2 to 1. Let's see if there's anything in that. I'm just curious. Got a little bit of time. I'm not gonna be adding any. I doubt I'll be adding any. If I'll be adding any more markings, I doubt it. So let's just go to our tick. Chart. And let's see if price bounce off anything significant. We're gonna pin this one here, switch that to this. Let's go here. We got a nice little wick. This is the first absorption that I see. I don't know if we had another. We got that, so we can see that price may need to come back down to this here or this one, depending on how far it goes. All right, but there's nothing prior to. We had this, but nothing prior to. All right. I'm not really feeling this absorption level right now. Let's go to the 15-minute. No, I need to do SPY, right? All right, so SPY is still at the base of that level. We're at the buying at that base of that level, still holding. So we got that. All right, so price is really just holding that. Wait a minute, buy. This might be just one of these slow one of those slow days today. That's what I'm thinking. It's giving me that because market looks like crap. All right, so a lot of buying right here. So price does need to challenge that area. All right, so back to yes, got 15-minute, got an absorption at the top. This is showing resistance. This one is likely going to stick. And we had selling here. Price came back and sold again. So this would have been something I'd look forward to. So let's see if there's anything there. So not really. Maybe this failed buy. That's way over there. I see even the range chart is barely moving with the market. It's like nothing. All right, this is looking like a very dead market today. So more candle wise, just guessing. I can't get a feel of the tick chart. Might even have to go to a lower tick chart, but which I don't want to do. Maybe a 10 tick. All right. All right, with 10 tick, I do get better price movement because I want to have a lot more ticks in that. So that. All right, and you can see that price came to it, and we had a sell. Boom, boom. Entry would have been this. Stop loss would have been here, so about 4 points. All right, this would have been a nice little move all the way down to here for 27 points, right? So we'd have to go down on lower time frame because I'm not getting anything with that 20 tick. That 20 tick range was not giving me anything. So just half of that. All right. All right. So that's about 4. All right. So going into that 20 tick range would have been perfect setup. I'm in the 10 tick range. All right. All right. So that's 15. All right. Keeping an eye on this. So I might have to go down to our lower tick range because of just how the volatility is. Oh, I'm really liking this. Yeah, see they both came back to that sell. I really like this. But see the price is already gone after that. Now becomes like trying to get a 2-to-1. Let's zoom out a little bit. There's nothing there. Price broke the range, came back and sit. All right, let's go to the 1 minute, and then we'll just mark this this level. All right, too much going on in the 1 minute. All right, so let's go to the 15 minute first, because the 15 minute level that starts this. All right, it's a sell. Got that strong sell right here. $15-minute abs resistance. $15-minute buy ES abs resistance. $15-minute sell ES abs. All right, let's go down to the 5-minute. Five-minute abs resistance. ES. Okay. Minute bottom. Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's pretty much it. Um, let's see how price reacts around these. I mean, the market looks horrible. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't trust many of the things I have here. Let me see what this 5-minute ab is about on NQ. Is it that large? That it is. Alright, we're still trying to travel this entire thing here. And look how many candles we have inside of it. Alright, still trying to travel the entire thing. It's ridiculous. Yeah, it's gonna be a very patient day. I'm not sure if the higher time frames are what's gonna be leading us. But it's likely going to be. And then we have Tesla. earnings on Tuesday, and I think I'd like to see Tesla come down to here, 155, before it buys up, because I don't see it. I personally don't see it moving up yet. I still think it's in the downtrend. I mean, it is in the downtrend as of now, as I'm marking it up. Alright, so I want to see this come down to here and then up to 420. Just like that. Weekly. Then also got Google. And then you also got Intel. Intel's kind of flat. Intel's 18 bucks, 17 bucks, 18 bucks. This is all of Intel. Oh, there you go. Like, why wasn't it opening it up? Intel capped out a lot in 2021. Everybody seems to want to hold that ninth buy. Yeah, they're all holding it. Well, they're all holding that ninth buy. Okay. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna have about 16 minutes before the market opens. That one here. Got this one. Okay. Got that. And for this one, I need side by side. This one can go small. Then we're gonna put it as this week. All right. Is there anything here that showed absorption? Okay, got that one there. So we had buy, had absorption, then prices took off. Okay. All right, so that's it. Be back later.